Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. We'll discuss about Oman land borders. Dear all, Oman has already announced that they will open their land borders, all land borders with all countries from 1st of October. Today is 23rd September 2020. The day is Wednesday, and after 1 week, almost 1 week left. So after 1 week, all Oman land borders will be open, and citizens and expats, they are allowed to go and come back. Mostly people, they used to travel to UAE by road. They can go, they can come back. Everyone is allowed actually. Even GCC citizen from UAE as well, they are everyone welcome to Oman. But important thing, you have to show your COVID-19 test negative report. All those who will travel by road to any other country, neighbor country of Oman, they have to do COVID-19 PCR test, and they must be shown on the exit point, entry point and exit point. Also there is 14-day quarantine. You have to do 14-day quarantine yourself, and also if possible, you have not possible, there is a mandatory, you have to do COVID-19 test as well. If it is negative, you will be released after 14 days. Otherwise you have to go another quarantine, and of course there will be treatment as well. So inshallah khair, always take care, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.